Namaste, Vande Mataram. Let us start by offering our humble pranams to the tri forces that safeguarded our country and successfully executed Operation Sindoor. Operation Sindoor teaches us many lessons, especially for the youth who are going to lead Viksit Bharat at 2047. Friends, Operation Sindoor can be characterized by 5 attributes. Attribute number 1 is automation, without which we could not have achieved what we have with such accuracy and speed. This involves principles of mechanical engineering and robotics. The second attribute is precision, with which we have hit every target. This is possible because of our indigenous NAVIC system, which guided our missiles towards the target, and lot of onboard computing and very successfully planned ammunitions. The entire precision is possible because of multiple disciplines, including aerospace engineering, chemical engineering, satellite communication, electronics, embedded system, AI, image processing. All these fields contribute to the precision that we have achieved. The third attribute is speed, and the fourth attribute is risk mitigation. This involves a lot of planning, and this opens up major studies in management and including areas like operations research. The last one is strategic. The strategic edge that we had completely came out of innovations, completely came out of entrepreneurship. The drones that were developed by startups had played a very important role in this effort. So friends, this is the time where young children complete their +2 and their parents and them decide on what engineering discipline they must take. My suggestion to all such parents and students is that let the student decide whichever discipline is interesting to them, and every discipline, as demonstrated by Operation Sindoor, gives the child an opportunity to serve the country in future. As mandated by the National Education Policy 2020, holistic education and innovation and entrepreneurship are extremely important for our country, and this is demonstrated effectively by Operation Sindoor. Friends, this is time to rejoice, not to relax. Let us all work together. Let us all develop multiple technologies that will be of great importance to our nation and her national security. Jai Hind.